Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here, Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous car, very special 1986 Mustang GT 5.0 convertible. 5-speed too. Got the owner Keith here, so going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today, Keith?
Hey, how are you?
Man, what a car, bro.
Yeah, it's clean.
I had 86 back in the day also. It was a T-top coupe, one of my first cars. And probably 8 or 9 of these convertibles. Yeah, it was just a nice bang for the buck back then.
Yeah.
It's hard to find low miles, clean, non-rusted examples. It's a 3-owner car, right?
I'm sorry, what was it?
3 owners or 2?
I'm the third owner.
Third owner.
The original owner bought it off of one of his friends that was going through a divorce back in 1990. He had it. Car was in Michigan, over on Lake Michigan, stored in a garage, and all he did was use it during the summertime as a fun run-around car.
Cool.
I acquired it about 1.5 years ago. Put a lot of work into it. New exhaust, clutch, throwout bearing. Replaced the rear main seal. I was in there just as preventative. All new brakes all the way around. Full-blown tune-up.
Been done by Real Speed, right? The Dyno tune?
Yes, Real Speed did the dyno tuning to it. The car runs absolutely mint. Randy from Long Island Muscle Car Garage did a bunch of work for it. I have all the documentation on both. What else did I do to it?
New clutch?
I had the car professionally cleaned, seats ripped out, rugs gone over, seats shampooed, steam cleaned, ceramic coated.
Wow. New graphics?
New graphics put on, painted on, not a decal. Decals were always coming out. Not really the way I wanted them, so I had one made by Phenix Graphics over in Arizona.
Wow.
And my auto body guy was able to match the paint to the original charcoal gray for this year.
Wow.
And painted it on, along with the side moldings.
Wow.
And the GT emblem on the inside on the side molding was done by a pinstriping individual.
This one here? The inside?
Inside what?
Oh, this GT emblem or a different one?
No. This one right here, over on the side.
Wow. Oh, killer. Man, that looks great. Jeez.
Yeah, I tried to bring the car back to as close to original as I could.
Man, this
so
exhaust,
it looked
dude.
like it just came off the factory,
Killer.
rolled off the assembly line.
It's gorgeous. Got lots of documentation, receipts and everything for this car. You do this emblem too?
That emblem is factory original. It's not new. I had one. I bought one and had it put on. I wanted the car, like I said, to look like it rolled off the assembly line.
1986.
Like you just walked out of the dealer with it.
Yep.
Not many modifications to it, except for stainless steel headers and Flowmaster exhaust.
That's what they did back then anyway.
Yeah. And a short throw shifter on the 5-speed.
Yep. Killer. Got all the original docs too, Protecto plate, owner's manuals, everything. Power windows. I don't think mine had power windows. These Recaros are in great shape too. Jeez. Showing 52,522 miles. Got 140 mile an hour speedometer on this bad boy. That is fantastic. Even the steering wheel is gorgeous. You have the original wheels too, right, Keith? Keith has the original wheels. This has got to be the nicest one I've ever seen. It's just fantastic. Yeah, I'll never get tired of these. Super clean under the hood.
New aluminum radiator, a couple of lower hoses. As I said, the whole car's been gone through. Anything that needed replacing was
Done. Hop in it, turn the key and go, right?
That's it. You don't need to do any work to it at all. Original stickers. Over here. Over here. On the cowl. Front.
Rotor Plugs.
Cap, rotor plugs, air filters came in, it can be cleaned.
Yep.
Fuel filter was replaced. Car was gone through head to toe.
Wow.
Anything that needed replacing was, which obviously I did full brakes all the way around.
Cool.
Sprayed the front calipers, sprayed the rear drums, so they don't look like rusty things showing through the pony wheels.
Yeah.
Obviously 90 pony wheels on the car. I have the original 10 holes with the original gator back tires that come with the car. If you really want to bring it back to 1986.
That is killer. I kind of like these 90s ponies, man.
Yeah, they're a nicer look, I think.
I think so. Is it original paint?
No, it has one reshot done back in, he said that it was flaking out on him.
Yeah,
I
the
believe
clear.
it was done in the 90s, around 92, 93.
Yeah, they didn't.
So he had it reshot and he had painted the whole car white. I didn't like that, so I wanted all the side body moldings and the original hood sticker, like I said,
Looks
but
so
I
much
couldn't
better.
get it. So I had everything put back to the charcoal gray.
Wow, I love it.
Yeah.
Killer. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a shout. I'm at 631-339-0399. Keith, fantastic job on this car, man. I graduated in '90, so it like brings me back.
Yeah.
You know, these are our future classics. Well, guys, check it out, weebyautos.com.